This Sculpto introduction video is about the things that people ask, why can't I do this? Some people have asked about temperature control because they want to use a different type of filament, or they think it would be better with a different temperature, perhaps at the start or at the end. And you can. You just have to enable Sculpto's expert mode. You have to slice the code yourself because the sliced G code also contains information about the temperature. So you can do that. And then there are people like, yeah, but what if I want to slice it yourself? Same answer. Enable expert mode, upload the G code. The G code does pass by Sculpto servers. If you're unhappy with this, Sculpto probably shouldn't have been your first choice, because this is one of the things that makes the Sculpto easy for people to use. This is why you can print from your phone. This is because everything goes past the Sculpto server.